Let's get right into this market outlook. So, I mean, market's just been gradually selling off kind of into the election, down 5% in the last 3 weeks after we had an up 5% in 3-week run, just chopping back and forth. It seems like the market is just dying to get the election behind it at this point. I'm pretty bullish after the election. I think before the election, it's just random chop because it's such a huge market catalyst coming up. To me, it's kind of that simple. I just remember 4 years ago trading too hard before the election, and it was like such a waste of time and capital and energy. So I've been taking these last few weeks very lightly. What are your thoughts, Bennett?
Yeah, no, I mean, same thing. One of the members put in the Alpha Chat an interesting historical stat, and it goes since 1945, when the SP has fallen 3 months leading up into the election, the incumbent president or party has lost the election 88% of the time.
Right. If the market falls, the incumbent loses. The market rises, the incumbent wins, and the market's been exactly dead flat, right?
Yeah. So it's like I put like
cool, great.
I put that daily chart where it's like
great stat.
2020, and we're literally exactly
dead
flat
flat.
for the year.
Nuts.
Yeah. But again, I don't know if you have that chart up, but we've been in that range between 360 and 320 in the SPY. Again, leading into these elections, everyone tends to make dramatic, financial decisions leading up to it, which tends to increase volatility. The date of the election, we should expect the futures to be up or down huge, and typically that knee-jerk reaction tends to be the wrong one. So if we initially see the futures down huge, we should expect, like Chick, you said, probably, some bullish trading in the months ahead. And if we see the market, gap up huge, it's probably not going to be the best in the short term. But again, after we get through this week and the next week, everything gets back to normal.
Yeah.
From the market standpoint.
I think the one thing that's different about this year is that, like with all the mail-in stuff, it's not going to be as distinct. We usually find out that same night, November 3rd, like really what's happening. I don't think we'll really find out for a week or so. So, a little bit different in that regard. But until we have a clear-cut winner, I think we'll just see some extreme volatility. As you said, people making rash decisions before the election, things of that nature. But I definitely agree with everything you said.